In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a JPEG to a PDF using TinyWow and completely for free. Now, I've done plenty of videos on TinyWow in the past, and if you'd like to check out that playlist, I will link it down in the description below, along with TinyWow. Now, once you're on this page, you want to come to the search bar and type in JPEG to PDF. If we click search, it's then going to be this tool just here where it says JPEG to PDF. If we click on here, all that we have to do is go ahead and take our JPEG, drag it onto the page like this. TinyWow now going to do its thing. Then we have the option to create PDF or add files. Now we only have the one PNG just here. Now we only have the one JPEG just here, so if you had more, there would be a few more options. But now we're going to click on Create PDF. It's going to do its thing, and now all we have to do is click Download, Save to Device, and now that's done. We now have our PDF converted from our JPEG. So that's how to convert a JPEG to a PDF completely for free and by using TinyWow. Now, if you want to know more about tinywow.com, then click right here and watch this playlist.